Seasonal is a shop upstairs, and there are lots of holiday fabrics up here. We have Easter, Halloween, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and we have patriotic fabrics. Here are some fabrics that I really like. I love this Christmas line because it's got blues and purples and it's got silver metallic, and I actually made one of the quilts that are up on the wall. I made it out of this fabric and I just love it. Here's a fall fabric that I love because you can do a lot of different things with this. It could be a border, it could be a center. You could make blocks out of this. Very fun to work with that. I also love the Stonehenge fabrics because they blend so well with all kinds of things. You could use this for fall, you could use this to put with a Christmas quilt, so they're very versatile. In seasonal, we have some patterns. We have a variety of patterns for all different seasons. We also have embroidery buddies, we have the Santa, and the snowman and the reindeer, and we have a lot of mugs. My favorite thing about working at Missouri Star in general, because I bounce around to different shops, but I love helping people. I love helping them figure things out. Like if they have a pattern but they want it made bigger, then I can help them figure out how much yardage they need. I can help them pick out backing. I can help them start a project from new, fresh with just an idea in mind. And so I just love working with the people and helping them create what they want.